an affordable solution for patients with knee problems. The Axis Knee System is the first world-class knee replacement system developed in the ASEAN region by a Filipino. Made from medical-grade metal and plastic materials, this Philippine Food and Drug Authority approved knee implant can maximize your senior years with lasting durability of 15 years. The Axis Knee System exemplifies DOST-PCHRD's continued commitment to improving lives by supporting high-quality and cost-effective healthcare research. Axis Knee System. Your health at the heart of research.